Most people see this as just a stack of papers and $100. I see this as the day my black car service stopped looking like a side hustle and start looking like a business. Welcome back. I'm a black car owner here in Jacksonville, Florida. And today I'm doing something every serious driver needs to do. I'm opening a business checking account just for my private black car service at Chase Bank. Now, I got my LLC documents, my EIN number, my local business tax receipt, and my opening deposit. Now, I'm heading into Chase, and I'm going to open this business checking account in my company's name. Now, let me show you why this one account changes everything. Right now, a lot of drivers are running all their rides, all their car expenses, and all their personal bills through one personal checking account. That might feel simple, but it's actually dangerous and it's messy. You can't see what your business is really making. And tax time, well, that becomes a nightmare. And if anything ever goes wrong, it's harder to prove you're running a real business instead of just a personal side hustle. Now I have my LLC set up. I have an EIN number from the IRS. I'm registered with SunBiz here in Florida, and I've got my local business tax receipt. So I've already done all that work to build a real company. Why would I run my money like it's a side hustle? That's why I'm here at Chase. I'm opening a dedicated business checking account. By opening this one account, I'm doing a few important things at once. First, I'm separating my personal life from my business life. All the money from my private black car clients, those airport runs, those corporate contracts, and the special events is going to land in this business checking account. All my business expenses, gas, maintenance, detailing, commercial insurance, tolls, all that is going to come out of that same business checking account. When I check my balance, I'm seeing the health of my business, not a mix of groceries, rent, and car expenses all jumbled together. Second, I'm protecting myself and my LLC. One of the reasons that you form an LLC is to create a layer between you and the business. But if you mix your personal and your business money, you weaken that protection. Having a dedicated business bank account in the company name shows that this is a real operation with real records. If a client ever has an issue or something went wrong, I want to be able to say, here's my company account, and here's my company records. Third, I'm making my taxes way easier. When everything flows through one personal account, tax season turns into scrolling back for months trying to remember what was personal and what was business. With this setup, I can download my business statements. I can see every ride deposit and every expense. Then I can hand those numbers to my accountant or the tax software. That saves me time, money, and headaches. Fourth, I'm also starting a relationship with a bank that can help me grow. Today, it might just be one vehicle, but tomorrow I might want a second car, a third car, or a small fleet. Banks look at your history. If they can see steady deposits, consistent activity, and a real business profile, it's much easier to talk about business credit cards, lines of credit, and financing vehicles in the business name instead of everything on my personal credit. Now, the rep here told me I don't need a separate business savings account right now, and that's fine. I can still use this checking account as a main hub for the business, and if I want to, I can add savings later. The important part is that I've taken that first step and I've separated the money. So what do you actually need to do this? Well, here's what I had brought with me. I brought my government ID, my driver's license, my EIN number from the IRS because the accountant wants the LLC's name, my SunBiz documentation that shows the LLC and it's registered in Florida. I didn't really need a local business tax receipt, but I brought it anyways. And then I brought $100 because that's the minimum to open a bank account. Now, depending on the bank and the branch, they may ask for an operating agreement or any paperwork if you're using a different trade name. I had a DBA. And the big pieces are your ID, your EIN, and your LLC registration. Now, once they set everything up, I walk out with a business checking account that is completely separate from my personal life. From that point on, every client payment goes into this account. and every business expense comes out of it too. So if you're running a private black car service, a limo company, or luxury transportation business, and you're still using your personal checking account, this is your sign. Treat your business like a business. Get your paperwork in order, go into the bank, and open a real business checking account in your company's name. So if you found this helpful, hit a like and subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment. Tell me if you open a business account yet, or if you're still running everything through your personal account.